Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix picture-in-picture on YouTube that is not working. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go to your Play Store. Then search for YouTube app. Now, make sure that your YouTube is up to date. Now after that, go to your settings. Search for picture-in-picture. Now click on that. Go to YouTube and make sure that is allowed. Now go to your YouTube app and go to General and Settings. Now you want to make sure also that the picture-in-picture in YouTube app is also allowed, and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.